Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will now continue to States of Matter Part 2. Here, I only ask you about the vibration of each atom. At the cold temperature, that is 0 Kelvin, or minus 273 degrees Celsius. The atoms are still and do not vibrate, but physically impossible to reach. As soon as you can increase temperature above and above, the molecules start vibrating faster and faster. The state changes from solid to liquid state. Then at the hot temperature, the atoms vibrate too much. They start losing them because of evaporation. The distance between two atoms increase, the state changes from liquid to gaseous state. Just like boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. And, let me show you the action of piston, exerting a force equally in all directions against the walls of its container. Inside, under a piston, the atoms come closer. It will tend to regain back to this way, an opposite force. This state is known as Pascal's law. Just like pressure, is force per unit area. The unit is measured in Newton per meter squared. If the cross-section of area decreases, then pressure level increases, and vice versa. Miles Tails per hour will help you in the different video. Now we will move ahead to 6 processes. 2 for the reversible reaction between solids and liquids, melting and freezing. 2 for the reversible reaction between liquids and gases, evaporation and condensation. And 2 for the reversible reactions between solids and gases, sublimation and deposition. First, we have solids and liquids. Basically you have ice that melts to form water by increasing temperature, then this process is called melting. To reverse the process, by reducing temperature of water, then this forms back into ice. Then this process is called freezing. Like you have freezers in refrigerator, you can store frozen products like ice cream, frozen vegetables, etc. Next, from liquids and gases. You might have seen the water cycle. In case of sunlight in hot seasons, the water evaporates to form water vapor, called evaporation process. Then the water condenses to form clouds by the condensation process. Then in case of rainy season, called precipitation, where water comes from the clouds. Then this process is repeated in the water cycle. And finally, solids and gases. Suppose, a dry ice, which is a form of carbon dioxide, that does not even melt anymore to form liquid. This will directly react to form gases. This process is called sublimation. In case of reversing the reaction from gas to solids, we call deposition reaction, or phase transition. Suppose on a glass window, water vapor from humid winter air deposits directly into a solid and crystalline pattern or texture. That's all. We have the 6 processes. Like, comment, and subscribe now. Thanks for watching.